welcome to Taipei, Taiwan. We are in Ximending, which is the west gate of the city. And if there were ever a district in Taipei that felt most similar to Harajuku in Japan, this is it. This place is packed with shopping and food, games, tons of food, and really just great sort of hip, fun fashion. It's just really great to walk around. It's maybe about 10 city blocks, not too big. Certainly like spend an hour or two here, depending on how much you're gonna want to eat. Everywhere you go here, certainly in Taipei, but definitely here in Ximen, you're gonna find these claw machines. These are super popular. Everything from little ones like these guys, little claw machines, to bigger ones. And they love plushies. Lots of cute, adorable plushies. Actually, that one's just about to fall. That one's ready to go. And more claw machines. And then obviously, if there are small and medium claw machines, then there are absolutely going to be extra big claw machines like this one here. It is December 30th, 2020. Everyone couldn't be more excited to ring in the new year and say farewell to 2020. And so there are all sorts of incenses getting burnt right now to help celebrate the new year and wish good luck and fortune to everybody. Well, there you have it, just a little bit of little taste of Ximen. Thanks for watching.